Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We are in the beautiful room 723, I think is it C? I'm not quite sure, at SVA, and our perspective class just finished, and we are here with Kelly. Kelly, how are you?
I'm good.
Where are you from?
I was originally from California, but I moved to Florida, and now I'm here in New York.
Oh wow, okay, so why are you here at SVA? What's your dream job?
I really want to work in animation, and I want to be a keyframe animator or something similar. So.
Oh wow, okay, that explains it. All right, let's start flipping through this really big sketchbook that you have some beautiful drawings in here. Now, okay, this is back in September, torso peanut shape, some rough skeletons, and so we'll flip through that a little bit quicker. Okay, now time out. Go back one page. So this is the homework figure, right?
Yeah.
And you're drawing from a photo.
Yeah.
Now let's go to the next page. So this is how you naturally draw, and these are your characters out of your imagination?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. I mean, look at the difference. Like, these are so relaxed. So what is the one thing I've been telling Kelly to work on is to just draw this way, like when you're drawing the figure, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. That is like night and day. It's crazy. Let's keep going. Wow. All right. What pencil do you use?
A mechanical pencil from Amazon, a purple lead. I was looking for something bolder than the Crayola purple pencil I've been using.
Yes.
So.
Yes. Okay, that is, and you're just doing these characters out of your imagination.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep flipping. Ah, homework, positive and negative. Awful, don't use graphite. We talked about that. And then these beautiful, fun characters. Time out. So tell me, this is again out of your imagination.
Right, yeah.
That's crazy, that's so good.
It feels more fun, I guess, to do dynamic poses.
Yes, that's why you're in the animation department, and that's why I was an illustrator. Oh, God. And how long does a page like this take you, like with these characters? How long did those two characters there take you?
Depending, since I added shading, I guess maybe an hour and a half, probably.
Wow, so that's a lot. So you could say that you draw a lot.
Yeah.
Spend a lot of time in this sketchbook. Okay, time out. Like, this is why YouTube, I wanted to share Kelly's sketchbook with y'all, because this is just such a fun page. So much emotion with these characters, and you're only in first year of college?
Yeah.
Wow. I know that because Kelly's in my class. Oh my God, surface planes. How do you feel about the homework? Is it torture for you?
Not really, I guess.
And what has been your key takeaway in my class?
A lot of curves, I guess. A lot of curving and exaggerating a bit of the body.
Yes, so these long gesture lines, no chicken scratch. Okay, time out, slow down. Whoa, so you're just doing, I know I'm asking the same question, YouTube, I get it, but you did this out of your imagination.
Yeah.
That's so good. So good. How long have you been drawing these style characters out of your imagination?
I think it started primarily in middle school, around 7th grade, I think.
And did you like draw all the time in middle school?
Yeah, I filled like 2 sketchbooks.
And what about your parents? Do they do art, or this is just you?
Just me. So.
Oh my God, okay, time out. So this is your foray into more of like realism a little bit, character, not cartoony. And how was this for you? Did you love it, hate it?
It was pretty fun, because the pencil strokes were kind of fun to do.
Yes.
Just like moving around the person.
You did so good.
Thank you.
Wow. More homework. I love the flowy lines. So good. So good. Fun characters. I'm sorry, YouTube. I forgot my tripod at home. My hands, I'm holding my iPhone with my hands. Okay, wait, time out. So these two characters here, how long did that take you?
20 minutes maybe?
Really beautiful. So you're starting to draw bigger.
Yeah.
And you're drawing more with your arm. Less with your fingers, I can see.
Because back then when I draw, I usually draw really tiny, and I started drawing smaller again, but I should get back to drawing bigger because it's really fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
Whoa. I love it. So it's interesting that you said keyframe animation. So this was something that Kelly had chose to copy with values. So it was about matching values, this exercise. And you know, I'm impressed. Like, you did a really good job with traditional values. Tell me, did you hate this?
Kind of.
Okay, I will look at those. Look at that stuff down over there. Whoa. You're good. You're very good. That's why we're doing the sketchbook video. Excellent. So fill in pages. This is a big, big, thick sketchbook. And this is the stuff that I adore. Now, this character here, is that like how you start and then you add the clothing on top?
Yeah, I usually start with like figuring out how the proportions should be. So I still make the legs a little long, but other than that, that's usually how I start.
Yes. Excellent. Oh God, hold on, like, and wow, the eyes and all that, really nice.
You see, every few pages my art style changes a little, so.
Well, that's growth.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're growing, and it should change a little bit while you're here at school because you have so many influences. I just really like, Kelly, so much that every face you draw has a facial expression, and you're so good. Everything is moving, like nothing is static. Like even this like little sketch, like it's moving, and you're in the right spot. You are totally in the right spot. I am the complete opposite of you. Everything that I draw is not moving. That is so fun.
October.
Are you going home for the winter break?
Maybe, maybe not. I'm still thinking, so. I kind of want to stay in New York and explore around a little bit more, so.
Wow, that's nice. Holy Moses. Whoa. Oh my God, and traditional pencil. You did a good job. I strictly told you do not use graphite after this because you are so comfortable with your other pencil. I'm joking, YouTube. It was more of like a joke than anything else. Just some scenes.
Yeah.
Wait a second. You're really good also with putting the right shoes on the right feet. I know a lot of students have a hard time, like it almost looks like their shoe is on the wrong foot, and you're really good with that. Hands, those are cool. Those are cool. How to draw hands and feet class. And then boom, getting kicked in the face with a foot. There you go. That's big.
This one I used a reference because I wanted to draw something with a little more energy and do a little bit more studies on the flow of poses.
Yes.
So, yeah.
That's a cool page. Goodness. Okay. I know your thumbs and fingers are probably going crazy right now.
It's a little cold.
Okay, hold on. Nice. So the thing, Kelly's gonna work on his legs, right?
Yeah.
Just trying to shorten some characters' legs. Wow. Your aesthetic is all there.
Mm.
Nice. Perspective. Okay, time out.
This paper is really fun to do. I guess I just had a lot of ideas. So it was characters for a popular game I was playing. So
Yeah, nice, nice. And then there was a pigeon. Random. Good.
I'm trying out a pen.
What influenced you, you would say, to come here to SVA? Like, was it a special animation that you liked? Was it something you saw online?
It was, I guess, because from really young, I saw a lot of people making animation memes, and then there were cartoons, and then anime was coming out. So I saw a lot of these, like, oh, I want to try that. It looks really fun.
Yeah.
So I worked my way, got into SVA, and now I'm here.
I would love one day to see the portfolio that you used to get in. Did it have a lot of these style drawings in there?
Only a few. But I did submit like 3 pieces of animation. So,
Wow. Pretty incredible. So you're no frills, like you're just drawing. Like there's no post-it notes, there's no stickers. It's just you drawing movement. And that's hardcore. That is really cool. I love the post-it notes and I love the stickers, don't get me wrong. But yeah, this sketchbook is no frills.
that's it for now.
That's your last one?
Yeah.
All right. Wow, Kelly, thank you so much for sharing. Do you have a social media?
No.
Okay, so you're always drawing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you heard it there, YouTube. Thank you, Kelly. Awesome. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Please give Kelly's sketchbook a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.